In a world where machines don't just follow orders but create, innovate, and solve problems beyond our wildest dreams. Welcome to the era of generative AI. Did you know that Gen AI can impact 44% of all working hours across industries? This number soars up to 72% in banking alone, while insurance and capital markets follow closely with 68% and 67% respectively. This is not just an evolution, it's a revolution. Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome to Simplilearn's video on Gen AI and its impact on various job roles. Right now, you must be asking yourself, will this AI revolution make my job easier or make me obsolete? In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the world of generative AI. We will explore its capabilities, impact on various job roles, and what you need to stay ahead of this rapidly changing landscape.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
But before we begin, if you want to enhance your career in AI, here's some quick info for you. Check out Simplilearn's postgraduate program in AI and machine learning with Purdue University and IBM. This program is perfect for aspiring AI enthusiasts and professionals looking to switch careers, gain expertise in generative AI, prompt engineering, ChatGPT, and many more. A year of experience is preferred, so hurry and enroll now. Find the course link in the description box and in the pinned comments. So without further ado, let's get started. So let us first understand what is generative AI. Gen AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can generate content such as text, images, and even music based on the data they have been trained on. This capability allows AI to mimic human creativity and thought processes, making it a powerful tool across various industries. Let us better understand with the help of an example. Let's look at a real-world example. OpenAI's ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a state-of-art language model that is capable of generating human-like text based on the input it receives. It's being used across various industries to enhance productivity and innovation. For instance, imagine you're a content creator. In the past, you might have spent hours brainstorming and writing articles, social media posts, or even marketing copy. With ChatGPT, you can simply type a few key ideas or topics and AI generates high-quality content just in seconds. This saves you time and allows you to focus on refining and personalizing the content to make it perfect for your audience. But it's not just about writing. ChatGPT also helps software developers. Let's say you're a programmer and you're trying to solve a coding problem. You can input your code into ChatGPT and it provides suggestions, debugs errors, and even writes code snippets for you. This makes the development process faster and reduces mistakes. And that's not just all. Customer service team uses ChatGPT to handle routine inquiries. This means faster response times for customers and more time for human agents to handle complex issues. It's a win-win situation. So you can see how ChatGPT are not just to replace your job. Instead, they enhance you how to work, making tasks more efficient and allowing you to focus on the job more important aspects of your job. And ChatGPT is just one example. There are many Gen AI tools out there transforming various industries. Now let's talk about the capabilities of Gen AI and why it's generating so much of buzz. So what exactly can Gen AI do? Well, Gen AI is like a super smart assistant that can handle a wide range of tasks. Imagine having a tool that can write essays, generate codes, create stunning visuals, and analyze complex data, all in a matter of just seconds. That's Gen AI for you. This versatility is changing the job market in a big way. It's driving new levels of productivity, especially in creating jobs where people can now focus more on high-level thinking and less on routine tasks. Think of Gen AI as the next big thing, similar to steam engine, electricity, and the internet. It's not just about doing routine work faster. Gen AI is opening new paths for innovation and helping businesses reinvent themselves. Let me give you an example to make it more understandable. Meet Sam, a graphic designer. Sam used to spend hours creating design from scratch, but with the help of Gen AI tools like DALL-E 3, Sam can now put a few input ideas and the AI generates multiple design concepts just in seconds. This frees up Sam's time to focus on refining and perfecting the designs, making his work more creative and efficient. And it's not just about creativity. Gen AI also can speed up product development, enhance human customer experiences, and boost employee productivity. In a recent poll of over 2,500 executives, 38% said that improving customer experiences and retention was the main reason for their Gen AI investments. Other key areas include revenue, growth, and cost optimization, and ensuring business continuity. So you can see the benefits of Gen AI are vast. It's helping businesses across the world innovate and stay competitive by transforming how they operate and deliver value to their customers. Let's discuss the different job sectors impacted by Gen AI. According to a news report, the biggest impact will be on highly skilled professional workers, especially in white-collar jobs. Here are some of the key industries that will see the most change. Financial services will see a big impact as roles like mortgage brokers, legal professionals, accountants, tax preparers, and marketing researchers are transformed. Gen AI will automate and enhance these tools, boosting productivity but also leading to some job changes. In marketing, writing, and graphic designing, Gen AI will revolutionize how content is created. Professionals in these fields will need to adapt to new tools that can generate ideas and draft quickly, allowing them to focus on creative enhancements. Next are the HR roles that will be completely transformed as Gen AI automates routine tasks like payroll and employee data management. This will let HR teams focus more on strategic functions like employee engagement and development. Interestingly, while white-collar jobs will be the most impacted, blue-collar workers will stay mostly the same. Gen AIs can't perform physical tasks, but there's increased demand for blue-collar workers due to growth of premium goods and services. Now you might be thinking, what are blue-collar and white-collar jobs? Well, white-collar jobs are typically office-based roles that involves mental and clerical work, like accountants, lawyers, and managers. Blue-collar jobs, on the other hand, are more physical and often involve manual labor, like construction workers, electricians, and factory workers. In fact, Gen AI might actually create more demand for blue-collar workers and even raise their incomes as the economy adjusts. This is because while AI can handle a lot of mental tasks, it still can't do physical work, and there's a growing need for these hands-on jobs. Let's break down the impact of Gen AI on jobs into three categories. At first, we have automation. Gen AI automates roles that involves routine and repetitive tasks. For example, graphic designers might shift from creating content from scratch to improving AI-generated content. Similarly, data entry and basic administrative jobs are at high risk of being fully automated. Next, we have augmentation. In roles requiring substantial expertise, Gen AI acts as a powerful assistant. Take software engineers, for instance. They use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate and debug code more efficiently. This helps them focus on solving bigger problems and coming up with innovative solutions. Lastly, we have the transformation. Some job roles will change completely due to Gen AI. Human resource professionals, for example, are shifting to roles focusing on coaching and strategic planning, driven by new economic models enabled by AI. Automated, augmented, and human tasks are the building blocks we use to redesign job and unlock the true value of Gen AI. These redesigned jobs must work together, which will radically change how work gets done. Now, let's see how generative AI can change processes within organization. For example, let's take Zomato app's interface and customer reaction. Zomato is a popular food delivery app. As an example, Zomato rethought customer services and issue resolution by combining AI chatbots, the cloud, and human support to enhance the user experiences. If there's delivery issue, users can simply tap on the help button in the Zomato app and tell the chatbot named Zoe or whatever the name is that what actually happened. No matter, no forms, no waiting on the phone, and no being transferred from one department to another. The AI determines the best solution. And if it can be resolved instantly, the AI takes care of it. If not, human representative contacts the customer quickly. As Gen AI becomes more common in businesses, professionals are divided. Some are excited about the new possibilities and efficiency gains, while others worry about the job security. Professionals need to keep learning and upskilling during the transition. Continuous learning, strategic upskilling, and ethical AI integration are key. Industries must leverage AI's potential while prioritizing human values. In conclusion, generative AI is transformative technology that can revolutionize the way we work. By understanding the capabilities and managing the risk, we can harness its power to drive innovation and productivity in our organizations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting videos. See you next time.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.